Okay guys, hey, today, if you're watching this video, and you watch my Angry Birds 2 videos probably, but guys, I am just gonna quit Angry Birds 2, because, like, it takes forever to load. You gotta do the tutorial every freaking one. There's like 280 levels. Literally like impossible to beat the game. You have to play it for 5 years, and I kind of don't like it. I prefer Angry Birds 1. But yeah, I'm deleting the app. And I didn't really like it. Bye. It's in like a paradise too.